welcome back to another video of H&H Express model nscale trains. In the last video I added the ramp over here. Let me remove this one so you can see it a little bit better. So I added this ramp over here and also in the back. So let's see how that wood filler hold onto the layout and see what we need to do more. So come up closer. So here you can see what I did. So this is the result. Let me remove those pins as well. That should be dry already, sitting there for a week. But let's see how the edge is here, because I think we still need to add a little bit more to it. Let me grab a road. So this would be the road which I'm gonna add. And as you can see, it's still lower than the bottom beam of the track. So I need to fill it up a little bit more because I would like to have it like this. And here in the middle it also needs to. So we need to fill it up a little bit more. I could do that again with wood filler, but I also have something else like plaster filler. So they call it wood plaster or filler, wood filler, but it's white, so we'll see how that works. So let's make sure that this is wide enough. Yeah, it looks like it. So let me make some marks here, because if I'm gonna move it to one side, I still have the option for a pavement over here. So that's the same with this over here. Let me see. This is also wide enough. So I have more than enough room to add it to it. So let's fill it up. Smooth it out. Still needs to be a little bit higher. And again, to smooth it out, let me zoom out a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit of warm water with some soap, and then we can smooth it a little bit better. A little bit more over here. It could be even a little bit more. So we're gonna let that dry, and then it should be high enough to put that sticky road on here. So next we will fill up this area over here. Let's see if we can put you in a different angle. Just Be right back. So let's smooth that out. So let's have that dry too, and then we're gonna do this. Okay, that should be more than enough. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then we will see how it will turn out when we're gonna add the sticky road to it. So as mentioned, the road will go underneath the bridge, but maybe you can see it over here. I still need to repair this, and I need to get the board out. But the problem with the board currently is that it is directly hooked up. I'm gonna show you that shortly, just one moment. So this is my control station for controlling the turnouts, and these turnouts are directly connected to the board. So the problem is when I want to repair the bridge in the back, I need to turn the board around. But these wires are still connected. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some quick connectors to it, the same over here with these ones, and I will do that in the next video, so that when it comes I can repair the back end of the bridge where the track is a little bit too high here, because now the train can't travel over there. And I can also change the ramp up to the bridge on both sides so that it has a little bit more even incline and decline. So, but that will be for the next video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of these videos, please consider to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.